Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing good. So for today's video, I have a lot of talking to do. I have some announcements. I have a lot of, things to talk about. But you know what? Before even starting to talk about the things, let's just make coffee and let's just get our systems caffeinated enough so that I can sit and talk and do a lot of work that's been on my mind. So yeah, let's make coffee. I really want to thank each and every one of you who came for my live session. You guys have no idea what it means to me, and I was so over the moon to talk to you everyone and to get to know everyone who watches my videos. And I know some of you couldn't join. I'm really sorry. Next time maybe I'll plan it beforehand and tell you guys at least a week advance so that you can get free from work and everything. I'm dying to do this again, and let's do this once more really soon. So yeah, that happened and it was really nice talking to you. So thank you so much for leaving all the lovely comments and for talking to me. And now moving on to the video. Today's video I'm going to talk about where I'm going for my New Year's break. So I'm leaving day after tomorrow and I'm going to Europe. So Europe, it's been like a dream of mine to go to Europe and I have been so excited about it. Like, trust me, when I came from India last year, like this year in January, I made up my mind that, you know what, I'm not going to India next year, I'm going to Europe. And I started planning it and I made like 1000 plans with different people and with different dates and everything. I asked some of my friends and then I asked other people and this and that, and then I decided I would go alone. So everything was like scattered all over the place, and I was, there was a time when I started thinking that maybe I'm not going this year, maybe it's not possible. But I'm so happy that during that time my sister applied for her master's program in Germany and she got approved. So she moved to Germany in September to do her master's in physics. So that really helped, and once she was there I was like, okay, she's there, I'm gonna go visit her because it's been like a year since I've seen her. So that gave me like more motivation to go ahead and plan my Europe trip. So I decided to go to Germany and meet her and visit Europe. So that happened. I would be traveling on 26th of December and I'll be there for 10 days, and I would be in Germany and around Germany most of the time. I would be visiting the cities of Bonn, Cologne and Berlin, and I also plan on going to Netherlands. I would probably go to Amsterdam and Leiden. So that's been like my itinerary, but I haven't decided anything. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, if you've been to Germany or if you have some places that you've been around Germany, I want to go to Prague, but I'm not sure if I would get tickets or something. So if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section because I'm still not prepared. I haven't done anything with my itinerary. I need to plan everything and I'm not someone who does that. I'm always a planned traveler, but this time I decided to take the plunge and not plan anything because one, I didn't have time, and two, I didn't have any other choice because I was so busy with work and with YouTube that I couldn't find time to book hotels and book tickets and to make our whole plan. So it's a very unplanned trip, which is so not me, but I'm gonna take it head on and see how it goes. And also, I don't like places which are very crowded and very touristy, although I know it's winter season, it's off season, so it's not gonna be very crowded. But I like places which are authentic and where I can see the culture and which is rich in culture. It has some history and good architecture and all of those things. Like, I really want to see the local people, the local markets and the local food that they eat. I don't want to see some places which are like very touristy and everyone goes there. I'm not the kind of a person to be in a place where everyone else is. So yes, if you have some suggestions, then please let me know of places which are not very famous, which not a lot of people have visited, because I really want to experience something different than everyone else already has. I'm leaving day after tomorrow and I haven't packed anything. I thought of doing a video for all the packing and everything. Now I'm not gonna do it like the way I do every time. I have 3 packing videos on my channel, and in case you guys want to check out, I'll leave the 3 in the description box and somewhere on the screen. I think the LA packing one is one of my favorite videos because it's very short and crisp and you get the whole gist of how I pack. But I'm a very planned packer. I like to make lists, I like to follow a routine, I like to do everything, but this time I'm in a mess because I do all those things at least a week before, not a day before traveling. So this is so not me, so I'm literally freaking out a little bit. So basically in this video I'm not going to show you how I pack because I have videos on it, as I said before. I'm going to show you how I prepare for packing. Like, you know, there are a lot of things that you should do before you leave your house, even if you're going home, if you live in a hostel, you're going home, or even if some small things, if you live alone. These are some of the things that you should keep in mind before you travel. So it's going to be more about how I prepare for traveling. Let's just start with the video.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine.
So this is my lip mask, lip scrub. I'm sure it doesn't smell like the best, but let's hope it works. Actually, I've never tried this before, so I don't know. It's like an experimental video. And this is my face mask with coffee. I love this thing. It's like exfoliating, but it's very nice and it smells yummy. I'm not going to share the recipe of this one because I have done this in one of my videos. So I have done like a DIY face mask video where I share with you all like my 5 or 6 different types of face masks. So it's the same recipe that I've shown there and you can go check it out. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this on my face and I'll see you guys later. So please don't be scared. I have the coffee mask on and it's honestly really nice. I love it. It smells like coffee and it's really nice. Now I'm gonna do the lip.
My own business, never knew the life had just begun. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again. I wanna see your face again, oh let me see your face again. I'm far from being satisfied yet. I have to see your face again, oh let me see your face again, and take me to the place we first met. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet.
I bet you think that I should calm down and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, you, don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested.
Welcome back. I just got done filming a video. I wanted to say that yesterday I could not upload any videos for 2 days because my laptop was not working, and also I'm leaving tomorrow, so I had like a lot of last minute things that needed to be done, so I just couldn't film anything and I couldn't upload it. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna work on it tonight. I'm gonna edit my video. My laptop was not working, but now it's like a Christmas miracle. I just opened it and it started to work. Before that, the iMovie kept crashing and I thought, okay, there's some issue with my laptop, but because of the Christmas thing I couldn't go to some place to get it fixed, and right now I was just trying to open it again and it worked. So it's like a Christmas miracle that happened. So yeah, so I just filmed my last video for 30 days of video series, and I'm so happy and I'm like feeling bittersweet, and it is now complete, which is like unbelievable. I did it, although I did screw up the last 2 days, but I'm still happy that I was able to upload 30 days of videos in 32 days. But yeah, that happened and I just filmed it and I am just gonna edit it tonight and it should be uploaded tomorrow, and this video is also going live tomorrow. And also guys, Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas and it's so nice, and I didn't leave the house since yesterday, but it's still Merry Christmas and I love Christmas. I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie tonight. I don't know which one, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. And for now I'm just gonna work on my list, what all things that I still needs to do. I made a list. So wash makeup brushes is done, they are still drying, but it's done. And hair color, so I did my hair color yesterday and I don't know if you guys can see, like it's a little bit lighter, but it didn't do anything, literally anything on my hair. So yeah, when I was applying it I was really scared, that's why I didn't film it, that oh my god, how is it gonna be, but turns out nothing happened. So yeah, that's my hair. I blind trust them that they will never get colored at home, no matter how much money I spend on coloring products, they just don't color. So yeah, my hair is still black. They're not, it has a little bit of shine, I wanna say, on this side, but you don't know. So yeah, nothing happened. And then I packed everything. I showed you guys the clips, and I am done packing. My suitcase weighs 22 kgs, it should be 23, so it's fine. And I cooked something for me. I made sandwiches for myself for tomorrow. I have my flight at 12 o'clock, but I cooked before because tomorrow I don't know if I would have enough time. I have to leave my house by 10:30, and also because I don't get food easily. Like if I am on an airport, there is a chance that there is nothing vegetarian for me, so that's why I cooked. And I cleaned my fridge, like my area of the fridge in my room, in my house, because whenever I go I always like to do these things. I like to clean my room, I like to clean my bathroom and clear out all of my fridge. Only 2 things that needs to be done for now is I have to take out the trash, which I'm gonna do tomorrow morning, and also from my bathroom and from the kitchen and everything. And also have to charge my batteries, like my phone's battery, my power bank and my camera battery, because I'm gonna take both of my cameras. I have 2 cameras. I have the DSLR one and I have my vlogging camera, which I rarely use, but I'm still gonna take it. So I have 2 cameras. I have to charge their batteries, clean out the SD cards, and I also have to charge my power bank. So it's pretty much all the things that I need to do. And I'm also left with packing my carry-on bag, like my backpack. I'm just taking one backpack and one of my camera bags with all of my camera gear. So yeah, I'm not gonna film anything of that sort because you guys have seen it in a lot of videos. I am just gonna pack something to eat, my camera, my book that I got for reading on the plane, and some snacks. That's it. I'm not gonna pack a lot of things. So yes, this is all about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for showing so much love on my videos. I'm so excited for Europe. I'm leaving tomorrow and I cannot wait to be there, meet my sister, explore all the cities and do everything that I can. And thank you so much for sticking around. I love you guys so much, and you guys have no idea what it means to have such a nice, understanding group of subscribers, and I hope we have an amazing new year, and I wish you guys a very happy new year. Now you're gonna see a video after I come back from Germany, and yeah, this one is going to be a long one, so this is all about it. Now I'm gonna just go clean everything up, pack my bags, edit this video, edit the other video, and then just sleep. So yeah, I'll see you guys next year. Bye.